Ho ho ho! The holidays are here. I hope you know what to get everyone. If you don't, you can use a Parts Express holiday gift guide. Let me show you a few of my favorite picks. When someone says Christmas lights, the first thing I think of is Talent. The Talent SSL2 mini moving headlight fixture features 7 10-watt 4-watt RGBW LEDs to produce multicolor mixing options with a virtually unlimited color palette. I love me some hot chocolate, but a battery-powered soldering iron might be even hotter. Solder wherever your job takes you with this battery-operated soldering iron. Plug the included USB cable into any powered USB socket to charge all 3 internal AA rechargeable batteries. You want to listen to music, but there's no more room on your desk? You need a mini amplifier! With a sleek, compact form factor, the DTA30HP is the perfect amplifier for desktop setups, entertainment centers, and any other system where space is limited. Elvis is gonna have a boom Christmas this year, especially with those DIY boomboxes. One of the best presents you can give would be a kit to let someone special build themselves. Save money and gain the knowledge of how these speaker systems work from the inside out. Whether it's the BlastBox, the Executive, or even the MKBoom, you're sure to have a wonderful time and exceptional sound. It wouldn't be Christmas without the kiddos. Get the little ones in your life interested in electronics. Add some holiday cheer to your office or home. A 3-dimensional Christmas tree with 16 flashing red LEDs will surely brighten any Scrooge this holiday. Need something extra tiny for your stocking gifts? How about a measurement microphone? Turn any phone or tablet with a 3.5mm jack into a laboratory-grade audio measurement device with Dayton Audio's IMM6 iDevice calibrated measurement microphone. Head over to partsexpress.com to check out the holiday gift guide, and while you're there, make sure you use a promo code available at checkout to save even more on all the gifts you bought. Ho ho ho! All right, I'm out of here. I got a mall to visit. Shall I call Rudolph, or you guys got me an Uber? Come on, guys.